Welcome to the True North Concepts Leg Strap Kit install video. The Leg Strap Kit attaches directly to the MHA. It allows mounting below, flush, or above the base of the MHA. It allows for more user customization for fitment. Each package includes a specialty bracket, the necessary hardware required for mounting, and a 1-inch wide mil-spec nylon and elastic leg strap, featuring a quick detach Fast-X buckle. It is recommended to try several height adjustments before securing the leg strap with medium thread locker. The specialty bracket fits a wide array of other leg straps such as Safariland, Run-In Tactics, etc. For more information, customer concerns, government purchasing, and dealer inquiries, please email info@truenorth-usa.com. Thank you for choosing True North Concepts.